Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the functionalities of Software Ideas Modeler, making diagramming and designing more intuitive and efficient. Today, we're exploring a powerful feature that significantly simplifies modifying flowcharts, the Swap Elements feature. Whether you're mapping out a complex process or making adjustments to your flowchart, swapping nodes can be a breeze. Let's get started. Imagine you have a flowchart for a bug tracking process in front of you. You've meticulously placed each step, but then you realize some steps are in the wrong order. Traditionally, fixing this would mean manually moving nodes and reconnecting flows, a time-consuming task. But not with Software Ideas Modeler. Navigate to the Design ribbon tab and locate the Placement group. Here, you'll find the Swap Elements feature, a tool designed to streamline the reordering process within your diagrams. Let's swap some elements. Press and hold the Control key and click on the elements that are out of order. For our bug tracking flowchart, we'll select Assign to Developer and then log the bug. With both elements selected, click on the Swap Elements button. Just like that, with 3 simple clicks, our flowchart is corrected. The positions of Assign to Developer and Log the Bug are now swapped, ensuring the flowchart accurately represents our process. What's even more impressive is that you can use this feature to swap more than 2 elements. Let's select 3 elements in our flowchart and click on Swap Elements. Do you see how the positions of the 3 selected elements change with each click? This flexibility allows for significant adjustments to be made efficiently. For swapping just 2 elements, there's an even simpler method. Right-click on an element, drag it to the other element you wish to swap it with, and select Swap Elements from the context menu. It's incredibly fast and easy, making diagram adjustments a breeze. With the Swap Elements feature in Software Ideas Modeler, reordering steps in your flowchart or any diagram is no longer a daunting task. This feature not only saves time, but also preserves the integrity of your connections, ensuring your diagrams remain clear and accurate. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Software Ideas Modeler. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Happy diagramming!